Good morning, it's Sandy the Canadian Stamper. We're on the road again. Yes, last week we were in Europe and this week we are in Comox. And there's special guests. Of course, Christy's in Comox, but we have a new special guest this week. Catherine!
Hello!
Yay! So Catherine used to do some scrapbooking and she's decided she's going to make a card with us today, which I'm thrilled about because we love when new people come and craft. And then there's some other family members, and then of course we've got the two teenagers, Zachary and Camila, who are sleeping. And yeah, so we're gonna make something with the By Your Side kit. Okay, so this kit is absolutely adorable, and I have been waiting for 6 months, I want to say. I might be dramatic, but it's been a lot of, there's chairs moving. There's been a lot of, sorry, this kit has been out of stock for ages, forever, 6 months anyways. So I just checked this morning, it's available, it's $30, and you get to make these pet cards, which I'm going to show you. They're just getting set up over here with their little, with all their things. Go ahead and, oh, you need this. Get started.
So we're gonna let Katie choose first.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna flip you around, and oh yes, Katie, another live guest. There's Katie, daughter to Catherine, one of the daughters to Catherine. The other one, there's an important soccer games on right now, so that's some of our attention is going to that.
Okay, so you get to choose the guy.
So I'm gonna flip you around, and let's show you what's in the kit.
Okay. Okay, Katie's gonna do kitty cat with the ball.
Good morning, Terry and Kyle. I see you jumping on. Thank you.
So, Katie, your kitty cat with the ball, you're going to have this background. So, it's got
so
that one.
Christy is going through the kit, as Christy does, having known how our kits work. So, in your kit, you're going to get your card bases, all of your cutout elements, and then these are kind of the cutest. These are our little punched out pieces. So cats and dogs. So you get 2 sheets of those, and then your sentiment strips, of course.
Okay.
And then I couldn't find scissors, so I was trying to use this knife to pop open. So here's a tip. I like to only open one side of the ink spot so that the top just opens up, and then you can close it again. Because if you cut both sides, then usually I find the lid just pops off. You got to put an elastic band or something around it. And something else that's different in this kit is, and maybe in other kits you'll see these, is these little cutouts. So it's got the name of your stamp set in 3 different languages. And so you can cut this, and then what happens is your stamp set that comes with your kit looks like this. This one's got paws, cat paws, dog paws.
Oh, and glue.
And a little...
Are they glue sticks?
No, it would just, if there's no, so we're looking for glue in the kit. If there's no glue,
then it's all pop up.
It's just all pop up then. Yeah.
Perfect.
So the kit will have everything that you need to make the kit, or sorry, make the card. So yeah, like for example, in this one, see how all of the elements, they just have the dots?
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, so no.
Okay, so just adding the dots.
Okay, so this thing, so you would cut this, and then you can put like in a little plastic sleeve or in an envelope or something. This, and it will help you catalog your stamp sets from the kits. So that's what that is. Oh, hi, Kim. Kim is here. Kim's a Waterman family member as well. Hi, Kim. Katie's doing her, say hi to Auntie Kim. Hi. Katie's doing a card. Which one are you doing? Oh, with the cat. Adorable. Good, good.
Adorbs.
And let me see your hand, Christy. What's happening?
I got a tag.
You're just getting right. I love how organized you are with the cards. I love it. So you would take a card base like this. See if I can do this one-handed. How's everybody's morning?
Okay, so
it's happening. It's beautiful here in Comox.
That's right.
So your base. Hi, Nancy. I see you jumping on.
It's on the back of your...
And then we would grab one of these
on the back of this
here. So this element is, it's already cut, and then it's got a stitched outline. Hi, Lori. I see you jumping on. And then you would grab one of your pop-out pieces.
They peel on both sides.
Yeah, no. No, only
That
one
one
side.
would, he would kind of sit there. Oh my gosh, look at his adorable face.
I know, they're so cute.
And then this sentiment piece, this is kind of fun. Usually you have like 2 pieces that make this up. So like a white strip that you flag down at the end, and then you add this piece, but it's already added for you. So that's good. And then you would add this piece here. And on the example, which I will go around to see, are you guys doing any stamping or no stamping?
Oh yeah, we'll do sentiment stamping. Oh, and yeah, actually I might do card stamping too.
Yeah, so on the, here's the stamp set and die, and then the block should be there. Will you show them, Christy, how to do that?
Yeah, for sure.
You're amazing.
Okay. So, on my sentiment, I'll just show you my example. So I'm going to grab this first, on my little banner. And I am going to choose what I want my card to say. So I'm doing that kitty cat right there. So to me, so I've got the options are, I'll always be at your side, you make my heart happy, best friends forever, or here's to a true friend.
Aw.
So I like here's to a true friend. So I'm going to choose that. And I like this little fish too, actually.
Yeah, and there's little paws there too.
I'm going to peel that off. I'm going to
Just gonna go around and show you.
my sentiment. And I'm going to put it on my block like that. And then, the sucker open. You save this for me.
Well, I tried. Katie, could you have that knife, please?
It's about to get
Thank you.
real.
I couldn't find any scissors. Okay, truth be told, I woke up late. I was in vacation mode. Yeah, and there's...
All
Uh-oh.
right, we're all good.
It's all good.
It's very sticky.
Yep.
It's my feedback. It sticks well.
Yeah, good.
Very well.
Good.
Just have to get.
And there's lots of dots too, so you
We're
can...
gonna have to get green new dots.
Let me... There.
Yeah, you guys can keep sticking. I'll just fight them. There it is.
Got it. All right, so Christy's stamping.
Okay, then you're gonna take your ink pad. I've already got green ink on me. So then you're going. Oh, and what color is this? I said green. Look at a prettier.
It should say at the top.
Old olive. That's what I feel like, an old olive. Okay, and then you just take your ink pad, chiclets, and you, Katie, and then you stick this ink pad on whatever your saying is.
You're inking it up.
I'm inking it up. Okay, good enough, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Then, the trickiest part, which I just don't do well,
You do.
is... Okay, so it looks like the black is on the bottom.
Yeah.
Uh,
No pressure. The camera's zoomed in right in on you.
Sweet. And then, with 1.5 cup of coffees in you push down like this, and you just kind of push, hold it like that, lift straight up. It'll do in a pinch. Kitty's worrying, but it'll do in a pinch.
It's good. It's good. It's good. Here's to a true friend. Okay, so we also need to, this is a bit inked up now, but so what we should have done is scuffed up the,
Oh, scuff.
yeah, we should have scuffed first.
Got the scuff.
But you probably have more sentiment strips than you need, so you could try again if you want. So what we're talking about with scuffing up is on the, these are called photopolymer photopolymer stamps, and they're clear plastic like that. So when you put it on a block and they're brand new, they have a bit of residual on them. So if you scuff it up a little bit, it takes off some of that excess. So this one is blotchy-ish because it just has, it's just a brand new stamp is all.
Which one do you like?
So I put on this one, You Make My Heart Happy, if anybody wants that one, or you could swap it out, but then just make sure to scuff it.
Yeah, I'll do that one. Yeah, and how do you scuff? Do you just like...
I just did it. I just rolled it with my finger.
Oh, okay.
I kind of did it. Yeah. If I was wearing jeans, I might just rub it gently on my jeans. Yeah. It is too hot for jeans. All right, Catherine, can I film you doing your very first stamping?
Okay. I didn't fully pay attention, I confess.
It's okay. It's very forgiving. This craft is very forgiving.
So that looks pretty inked up.
I think. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Yeah, that looks really good.
And then you just
Yeah, so we'll move it so it's on a flat
That's
surface.
great that it's clear.
That's
you
not
can
flight, just a
see.
second, because that's going over that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, there you go.
So just straight up, straight
That's
down.
so great that you can see through so well.
Yes.
And which one are you doing?
Oh,
Nailed it. You
nice.
nailed it. Good job.
Mine says you make my heart happy. Do you like that one? Or do you want which one do you want? And then we just peel this off very easily. Look at that.
Yeah, I should have brought wet wipes so that we could have a bit cleaner fingers, but we didn't, so. Okay, so if you're just joining, I see some of you, we're working with the By Your Side kit. And I'm going to just maybe zoom in a little bit on the projects. 2, 4, 6, 8. So you get 8 projects, 2 of each. I don't know why it's not zooming, or it's not really
You want to do
focusing.
a paw print. I
There we
see.
go, I bet.
Yes.
Dogs and
Do
cats.
that, like, somewhat.
Is that a cat footprint?
Actually, no, I don't.
Chris is telling you great job on your first stamping attempt.
Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you.
And so this kit is officially back in stock. Kim is doing a round of applause for you as well.
Oh, thanks. Woohoo.
So the kit is back in stock. It has been out of stock for, I don't know, months. So I was thrilled. So I ordered 2 when it came back in stock. Because I was so excited about it.
My little kitty cat.
Yeah, it's cute. So this one, the pink on there, it looks like maybe Calypso Coral. These little heart pieces were already popped out, ready to go. So you just need your sentiment and embellishments. Hey, Christy?
Bam. Bada bam, bada bang.
I
Nice.
like the 3 dimensions.
How did you stamp that?
I would say it worked, but it's a little,
Wow.
Hey, that's awesome. Good job. Let's,
They only look like it's awesome forever.
BFF.
what does it say? Best friends forever? Nice.
And you can put a couple of those on the back so it'll stick.
Now, Katie, when you did your stamping, did you put your paper on the table or how did you stamp?
I put that like there, and I just press.
Oh, you put
Oh, she did it. Okay, I want to tell everybody in case they want to try your way too. So she inked it up here and then she put her piece of paper over it and then rubbed her hand on it. You know what? You're smart because some of us crafters, when we have really, really big stamps that are like the size of this whole page, that's exactly what we do. We ink up our stamp and then we put the paper on top of the ink stamp. That's exactly what we do. Yeah, good job.
Natural stamper.
All right, Catherine, how's your card doing? You just need your sentiment,
I
or
just need I got my sentiment on, and then I just need to place my
Katie's got the stickies
dog.
on your lap. There you go.
Thank you.
nice?
These are very sticky. I feel like you don't need too many.
It's true.
I'm putting 4.
And then the envelopes here. So this have a circle here at the top.
Yeah, I think that's a stamp, a paw print.
Yeah, that's right. And then you can put a little paw print stamp in there if you want. Oops. So that's our project for today. And there's the other one. Looks like a lot of fun. Who's on the beach? Too bad. Oh, on the East Coast. Yeah, Carissa's on the East Coast. And Carissa says, good job, Katie. East Coast. Chris, I thought you were saying you were at the beach there for a minute. I was getting excited for you.
There will be a beach in Ion for today.
In our future, yep. We're doing Philburg Festival today. And what's the other one called?
Nautical days.
Nautical Days. Lori's asking, can you make all dogs or all cats? Well, I don't think so, because there's 2 of these sheets, Lori, and there's 2 dogs and 2 cats. And how many cards are there? 2, 4, 6, 8. No, so you can't, I know sometimes, you're probably thinking, because sometimes they give you extra, but it looks like you need to do 2 dogs and 2 cats.
Okay, I'm going to try a paw print.
Paw print. Let me see. Can you turn it for the camera? Oh my god, I love it. That's really cute. Are you happy with that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be. You did a great job. Good job. Hi, Christine. I see you jumping on before. Christy, are you rocking 3 cards right now?
Going.
How?
It's happening. It's all happening right here. I'm sweating. I'm breaking out in sweat.
It's because you're in the sun.
It could be coffee, it could be hormones, it could be too much sun.
It is beautiful here, by the way. Here, let me just pan to Christy's backyard.
Ooh, show my rose.
Your rose?
Just the rose.
Oh, these red ones over here?
Not so much. Those are
Oh, where are your roses? Oh, yes.
gonna sniff it while you're over there.
Okay. Here's the roses. This is Christy's backyard. She usually has a beautiful flower thing going on.
We got too dry this year though.
Oh, too dry. Look at these. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm sniffing. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Last night we had the fire table going. There's the fire table. And Chrissy had something you throw in the flames to make the flames a different color.
Where are these hearts supposed to go?
Embellishments, and you get to, so you could just use your nails and pop them off and stick them up. Yeah, they got sticky on connection.
Uh-oh.
That's a paw print you got right there. Yeah.
They're not like
Yeah, well,
Do you want a heart?
it does look a bit camouflaged, doesn't it? It's, because we got to rub the stamp. That's right. So like what you're doing with your finger, perfect. So when you do the next one, oh my gosh, it's adorable. I love it. Good job. That's awesome, Catherine. Good job.
Great, I love it.
Yeah, it's cute. All right, so where are you going to put that stamp?
there.
Okay. I bet you it'll turn out a little bit better with the clearing of the stamp.
How it's got like little marks in it.
She said it looks a bit like camouflage, which is accurate. Okay. Ta-da!
Yeah, I'm gonna turn that off.
Before and after. Good job. So you could stamp on your envelope too if you want.
Look, there's a dog bone.
Yeah, a
You
dog
should
one.
put it like.
Should I do a dog? Oh, yeah.
Don't forget you can do the inside of your card as well.
Oh, yeah. You got a fish.
The
If you want the
fish.
fish.
Very cute.
I want the
Cats like
fish.
You're
This-
right. Maybe I'm gonna do something on the inside.
Yeah.
One sec, I'll be fast.
Yep. You could also do another sentiment on the inside depending on what there is.
Yeah.
This is the funnest part about it. This is all the decorating of the card. Christy's just a card factory over here.
Firehouse.
That's how you know you've had too much coffee today.
She's very fast at the card making.
Christy's done this a few times. All right, we're going to sign off. I'm not sure what time it is, but we're almost done the kit, so I will post some photos of our final projects. So the kit is called By Your Side and officially back in stock, which is awesome. And maybe I'll snap some photos of the festival later today. I hope you have an awesome long weekend. If you're in a place that is a long weekend, we have a long weekend. And have an amazing afternoon. Bye for now.